Galong shisha kasi bansa akan mau na kabanta pat ba nong snong jong kapilang kata. Ha ka bakati snong kalala bansa ki ya jing play pat ba ya jing tay ya jing school ka batamai jong kapilang kata secondary school. Bat kumjuru ka jing teu kerdan ka school chaka kerdan higher secondary ya kabalawan ban play da menteri ketenat puli puthi ka jela ubala ka ben romboi. Ubala kloy ru banwan chakni ka snong ka badan ha ka jaka kapot jong ka jela Meghalaya bat Assam. Ya kani ke yang school ke batamai ke belatai la mang pisa kerpang na ke project supporting human capital development lengba ke Asian Development Bank ke balamang ha ke jinglot ke balakot lai klurtam. Ha kani ke jinglang play ya kani ke yang school batamai lawan man sakiru da UMLA ke jirang constituency uba Sosthenes Sotun, UMDC ke jirang uba Victor Rani, ke extra additional commissioner ke district Ribhoi kong V Nyota, district school education officer uba VS Nongbet bat kiwe. Habakran ko mukongsan uba ala kemen rumboy ulapan pawe ke jingkemen ke bakrau bandiran lang ha kani kesngi sa akan mau bat kipat ba ke snong pilang kata ban saki ke jing nang penskam kilat ai jing hikai ke bapaka ban kentiu ke jang nang jing start lengba kani ke kerdan high secondary ha kani kathan kamta mi ke samla puli ke basong basa ak snong kaput jong jela Meghalaya bat Assam. Menteri ulong ba ke jingdon jong ke school ke balamang lang ba ke Asian Development Bank kan Asia ke jing mentoi ke samla pulia kamtam ha ke kathan kaput bagi nang la ban yo shosho ikilat ban penskam ke jing nang jing start ki bakat kum kan ke jok ke bamenta.
Jirang as a whole, Jirang area needs a maximum focus by the government of Meghalaya. I'm very happy that through the intervention of the local MLA and the blessing of our Honorable Chief Minister, that in the last 3 years, every department tried to do their best. Every department tried to help be in infrastructure and in human resources development. Also, decided that one model degree college will be set up in this area, and that is in Patharkhama. I have seen that today while coming, the road from that side, from 9 Mile till here, is been blocked up. I have known that from Umling till Umrit, road will be constructed. I know that from Mairang till Rani, it is being renovated. So the government in these last 3 years have focused in this part of the area. As the headman of Pilangkatabi has already mentioned, that this area needs a maximum focus.